welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these super cute mini twists. This is the perfect protective style, so if you guys want to know how I got this really cute look, just keep on watching. So the product you'll need is the Talia Wajeed Curl Sealer, Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Mousse, Eco Style, Design Essential Revitalizing Curl Spray, and a denim brush and comb. As you guys can see, my hair is super thick, and here I'm just trying to figure out how I want to part my hair. You can do this in a middle or a side. I went ahead and decided that I wanted to do a side. After you get your desired part, go ahead and section off the rest of your hair to get it out the way. Use my finger to part my subsection so that I can begin detangling. And how I detangle my hair is I comb from the bottom up, and after it's all combed out, I go in with the Talia Wajeed Curl Sealer and I put that all on the section of my hair. And I really love this product, y'all. It has the perfect slip and it adds so much moisture to my hair. This is how big my sections are, but then I split it in half so that I can work on it to begin twisting. Then I go in with the Design Essential Curl Mousse. I apply that all to my hair. I add the Eco Style to my roots to make sure they stay nice and sleek. And then I begin to twist. And how I'm twisting is I take the left and the right and I overlap each. But with each overlap, I twist the left strand and the right strand. I hope that makes sense, and if not, I'll explain it again. And I twist all the way to the bottom. So you see guys, I'm twirling it, and that just activates the curl. And now I'm going to speed it up a little, but I do the same process, add the same products in the same order. So first, the Talia Wajeed, then the Design Essential Mousse, then I put the Eco Style to my roots, twist, and once I start noticing, like as I twist, my hair starts getting like drier at the ends, I apply that revitalizing spray and twirl around my finger. I'm gonna show you guys again. It's a little slower this time. So I'm detangling from the bottom up, and after I detangle, I then go ahead and go in with the Talia Wajeed and I apply that all on my hair, and then I add the curl enhancing mousse, and then after curl enhancing mousse I add the Eco Style and I begin to twist. And as you guys can see, I'm twisting, and you see how I'm twisting, but then I'm also twisting my fingers. When you twist your fingers, it's also twisting the left and the right strand, making the twist tighter and more secure. So definitely remember, as you twist and overlap the left and the right strand, twist your fingers so that way it makes a nice tight twist. And I twirl it over my finger and I continue with the rest. I'm going to show you guys how I begin the cornrows in the front. It's actually kind of hard for me to braid with nails on, so I did the best I could. How you do a cornrow is basically, it's basically the same thing as a 3-strand braid. You just pick up as you go. After I finish the braid, I basically transition it into a twist. So you'll see that I have 3 pieces, and I take the middle piece and I mix it with either the left or right side. Whichever one has less hair, I mix it with, so that it can just be a nice even twist all the way down. And then I just begin to 2-strand it the same way, and I just do that all the way to the ends. And now I start to add the revitalizing curl, and I begin to keep on twisting down. And I twist, twist, twist until I get to the bottom. And look at those juicy curls, y'all. I know it looks like a lot of product at first, but it does dry, and it just has the perfect, like, it's the perfect concoction together. I love it. And of course I twirl the ends. Boom, curl is activated. braid is semi-decent. So this is actually the next day because I was so tired and I could not finish my whole head because my hair is so thick. But I'm going to show you guys the same cornrow to twist transition because it can be a little complicated. This part of my hair is actually has a lot of heat damage, and I'm still transitioning it. As you guys can see, like the half of it is like curly kinda, and then the ends are just perfectly straight. I'm still working on that. I don't plan on cutting it because I don't want to cut it right now. I'm just going to continue transitioning it. So I begin the cornrow, and I'm trying to show you guys how to cornrow. So it's like I said, it's the same thing as a 3-strand braid, but you pick up as you go. Really not good at describing how to cornrow because how I learned how to cornrow is basically I just had to learn on my own head. So I would definitely watch another video on how to cornrow for a better explanation. I'm just continuing this cornrow down until the part ends, the section I parted ends, and then after that ends, that's when I begin to transition it into a twist. Okay, so now I'm at the point where I want to begin the twist, and you guys see I have 3, and I take the middle and I bring it over to the right strand and I twist it, and now you guys see that I'm going to go ahead and start doing the regular 2-strand twist down. And also, if you guys kind of look at how my right hand is going, each time I flip it over, I'm retwisting my hair, and each time in my left hand, you guys see my finger kind of spiraling out. I really hope it makes sense to you guys. But if you guys don't get it, definitely just kind of keep rewatching the video. But see how my ends are just so straight? So I add that Daily Revitalizing Curl to basically activate the curls. I keep saying that, but it really does. That's why I really like that product. And now I'm speeding up a little bit doing the cornrow braid. If you guys are visual learners, definitely kind of just look at how I cornrow. To do the braids in the front because I have heat damage, and doing styles like this basically trains your hair to get back to that curl pattern that it was before. And I'm going to do that for the rest of the section. So now I'm all done with the front, and as you guys can see, it's nice and full. It looks thick. I don't have a bunch of product in my hair. It dried. It's not flaky. Literally, the products all meshed perfectly together. So definitely try this combination out. And now I'm going to go in with my hair growth oil, and I'm just putting that on my parts. And now I'm taking a scrunchie, and with this scrunchie, I'm splitting my hair in half, and I'm wrapping the scrunchie on the length of my hair to basically keep it stretched out, because when you do twists, you'll definitely experience some shrinkage. So adding the hair ties like this will definitely minimize shrinkage, and I'm doing that on both sides. And the scrunchies I'm using, I really like these scrunchies. They're the cloth scrunchies. You can get these from your beauty supply or Forever 21, but I like these a lot more than the elastic. I feel like it does a lot better at stretching your hair. And now I'm going to add some more of the Revitalizing Curl. This is just adding moisture, adding shine. And after I add that, then I'm going to go in with the Curl Enhance Mousse, and I'm just adding this mousse to basically lay down my hair before I apply my scarf. And I'm smoothing that all out. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on my scarf. put on my bonnet. I have to put on two because I sleep wild, so if I just put the scarf on, it's going to be off the next morning. So now I'm all ready to go to sleep. This is the next day, and as you can see, I added some gold accessories and hair pieces. You can get these from your local beauty supply for about $1 each. If you don't want to add the pieces, you don't have to. It just dresses up the twist, in my opinion. And here I'm just showing you guys how my heat damage looks. And of course, there's no heat damage here. So this is the final look. I absolutely love mini twists. I love this style on me, and it's just a great protective style. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on those bell notifications to be notified every single time I post. I have another video coming out when I take these twists out, so stay tuned for that. Bye y'all. Peace.